Hello students, this is Biobotany class by Mini. Today's our topic is flagella. Flagella in bacterium. So what is flagella? Flagella basically is a thin hair-like appendage. Yeah, thin hair-like structures which is called flagella, which is present in the bacteria. So what is the function of flagella? Flagella mainly help for locomotion, for movement. But on the basis of size, flagella length will be 4 to 5 micron. And when flagella, suppose that is the bacterium cell, join on the base of bacterium cell is called blepharoplast. This point is called blepharoplast. And some bacteria are motile bacteria like coccus. Some bacteria are motile bacteria and some are non-motile bacteria. So on the presence or absence of bacteria, flagellum are mainly following two types. The first one is atrichous and the second is trichous. Atrichous and trichous. It means the first is atrichous. Atrichous bacteria are those bacteria which have no flagella. It means flagella you can say flagella or flagellum absent like in coccus bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria. That is lactobacillus bacteria. There is no flagellum like this. The atrichous bacteria, and the second is trichous bacteria. So on the basis of flagellum, trichous bacteria are following further two types. The first one is polar flagellum, polar flagellation, and non-polar flagellation. Trichous bacteria, polar flagellation and no polar flagellation. So the first one is polar flagellation. Okay, first I'll describe you non-polar flagellation because there is only one kind of non-polar flagellation. So non-polar flagellation, the bacteria which whole body cover body, as you can see in the diagram, that is the bacterial cell, and their whole body cover by flagellum. This kind of bacteria flagellum called apolar flagellization. You can make a thin like I'm just, because my marker is thick, so I'm drawing thick shape, but actually it's hair-like structures. Hair-like structure. It means in apolar flagellization, the whole cover body covered by flagellum. That is apolar flagellization. So this is non-polar flagellum. As you can see, which is seen in the Salmonella typhi, which cause typhoid. So that means that is Salmonella. Salmonella, a bacterium which cause typhoid, and this kind of bacterium is called peritrichus. So this type of bacterium is called, that is example of peritrichus. Example of peritrichus bacteria flagellum, Salmonella typhi. Okay, so now again, flagellum is a thin hair-like appendage, and thin hair-like structure which length will be 4 to 5 mm, and where the base point, the base joined with the bacterial is called blepharoplast. On the basis of flagellum, flagella are following two types. The first one is atrichous flagella, second is trichous bacteria. Atrichous bacteria those bacteria which have no flagella, it means flagella absent, is called Atrichus flagella. And Trichus flagella, and that is the Atrichus flagella example, Lactobacillus bacteria, that is Lactobacillus bacteria is the example of Atrichus bacteria which have no flagella. And number 2 is Trichus bacteria. On the basis of flagellum, Trichus bacteria are following two types. The first one is polar flagellization, the second is non-polar flagellization. So on the basis of non-polar flagella, those bacteria which whole body cover with the flagellum, so is called Peritrichus bacterium, or this flagellization called non-polar flagellization. For example, which is seen in the Salmonella typhi. So the next is polar flagellization. Polar flagellization. Number 2 chalo. Okay. Polar flagellation. So polar flagellation, and this kind of bacteria, it means the flagella in a bacterial cell present on, for example, I am telling you, for example, flagellum is present on one side or both side or two or more than two is called polar flagellization. So on the basis of polar flagellization, it may be following, I think it may be following 4 types. The first one is, so on the polar flagellization, the first one is monotrichus flagella. As you can see the diagram, the flagellum joined with the, and this called, it is monotrichus bacterium, monotrichus flagella. So bacteria which have on is only one side, it has only one flagellum, is called monotrichus bacteria. For example, Vibrio cholera, which cause cholera disease, Choleera, Vibrio cholera. And the second is, number 2 is Amphitrichus, Amphitrichus, trichus, Chous, Amphitrichus bacteria. Amphitrichus bacteria, it means the bacteria, the flagellum have, see the diagram, and you can easily identify what it's showing. It means both side have one flagellum. It means the bacteria which both side have one flagellum is called Amphitrichus bacteria. Example is nitrosomes bacteria, Amphitrichus bacteria. It means both hand have one flagellum. And number 3 is Cephalotrichus, Cephalotrichus bacteria. It means, now again see the diagram, bacterial cell, and see this. Now what you are seeing, there is two flagella. In one end there is two, but it may be two flagella or more than two, flagella. This kind of bacteria is called Cephalotrichus. This kind of flagellum is called Cephalotrichus. Example, Pseudomonas Pseudomonas, P silent. Fluoro, FLU, fluorescence, SCENS. Pseudomonas fluorescence. Okay, and the next is, then next means last is Lophotrichus. Number D, Lopho, LOPHO, TRICHOUS. Lophotrichus bacteria. Now you can see the bacterium. Now, for example, that is the bacterial cell. Okay. So flagellization arrangement. See. Did you see how many flagellas are there? On the both end, 2 or more than. On the both end, 2 or more than 2 flagella. Okay, this kind of is called Lophotrichus. And the Lophotrichus example is Spirillum. Its example is Spirillum, volutens. Volutens की spelling VOLUTANS. VOLU. Spirillum volutens. It means polar flagellization. Polar flagellation basis the following flagellization. There is further 4 types. The first one is monotychus bacterium, which have one side have only one flagellum. For example, Vibrio cholera. The second is Amphitrichus bacteria. In both hands there is one flagellum. Example, nitrosome is called Amphitrichus bacteria. Number 3, Cephalotrichus bacteria. There is one end, only one end. There is 2 or more than 2 flagellum. This kind of flagellum is called Cephalotrichus bacterium. Example, Pseudomonas fluorescens. And number 4, Lophotrichus bacterium. Lophotrichus, which both hand have 2 or more than 2 flagella, is called Lophotrichus. Example is Spirillum volutens.